Hello friends, welcome to a new video where we're going to make some beautiful designs and artworks using fruits and vegetables. So here we started with dragon fruit, then we're taking kiwi. So we are arranging it like star, then the kiwi is cut in a circle shape. They are also arranged in a circle or a ring, and at the center we place orange. While making the design, we should also be aware of the health benefits of these vegetables and fruits. So we started with dragon fruit. Do you know how beneficial they are for our health? Let us just look at the health benefits and the nutritional values. So a dragon fruit is low in calories, but they are packed with essential vitamins and minerals. It also contains a substantial amount of fiber. It is rich in vitamin C, vitamin E, magnesium, iron, and as I have mentioned, it is rich in fiber. It is very helpful in fighting chronic diseases, and they are very helpful in promoting a healthy gut. So eating dragon fruit promotes a healthy gut. Then it strengthens our immune system. Then it boosts low iron levels. It has iron in it and it helps us. So then we can also see that it is a good source of magnesium, and thus it is very good for our health. Thus, while we making this design, we can make use of the nutritional values. We can eat the slices at the end, and these eye-catchy designs let us eat more quantity of fruits and vegetables. Thus we can achieve a more healthy life. Here also we are making use of the property of cucumber for being very thin slices, and thus we have made flowery structure from cucumber. Here we have taken the tomato and we can arrange it like a good design. So using our fingers we can make a rose flower like structure from tomato. So our hands do a wonderful job here. Now we can take a cucumber and we can cut it. We can make very thin cuts on it so that we can unfold it to look like leaf. Here is a large watermelon. It is very delicious, and here we are not directly eating it. We are going to make it a beautiful design. We have to cut it into very small pieces, and we cut it like a sharp fence. Here is a tomato, and we are making cuts on it, and when we unfold it, it looks like a flower. Okay, so this is very simple. Make the cuts, then just slide it. Now we are peeling the skin of the tomato and we are rolling it, and thus we have a flower structure.